Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, there you are, ready to stream your favorite playlist, and suddenly Amazon Music hits you with network error. It's basically a bad message that basically means the app can't connect to Amazon server. So the cause could be your Wi-Fi, your mobile data, or the app itself, or even Amazon servers. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through step by step how to basically diagnose or even fix network errors in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to check our internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or basically mobile data at this point. Open a browser and try loading a website like google.com to confirm you have internet access. So if websites won't load even, the issue is with your overall internet connection. You have to restart your router or check with your provider. Then you should go and toggle airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and let your device reconnect to Wi-Fi or basically mobile data as well. Try Amazon Music again, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data at this point. If you are on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try using basically cellular data as well. If that works, the issue is with your Wi-Fi network. Restart your router, then unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Then you can disable VPN or proxy. If you are using VPN, try disabling it. VPNs can sometimes block or slow down Amazon Music connection. And that was it for today, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.